Hello students, hope you all are doing well. This side your computer teacher Akanksha. So we were on chapter 2 file management and data organization, and in previous video we have studied what is file, what is folder, and how to arrange them, or we have studied that how to create a folder. Yes, we have studied how to create a folder, how to rename that folder, that also we have studied. Moving or copying a file from one folder to another also we have studied. We have studied about the desktop, we have studied about the icons and taskbar, and in taskbar this yellow folder is Windows Explorer, and inside the Windows Explorer see the entire computer drives are there. This also we have studied. So mainly today we have to study that what are the file formats. So what are the file formats? Actually each and every file we store in the computer sorry, each and every file that we store into the computer, that file maybe is in text document, or that file may be in image files, presentation, etc. And each of the file has a different file format, means each of the file is having a different extension. What is extension? With the help of extension we can recognize that this file is of which type. Means if we are working on a, just give me 1 minute, if I write here Microsoft PowerPoint, okay, I am opening Microsoft PowerPoint here. Anything I have written here, and I am just saving this file, and this file name I am giving example, okay, and this I am storing on the desktop. Fine, I will save this file. Now go to the desktop. So here a file is example, and this file we have made in PowerPoint. But how to recognize that this file is of PowerPoint? So right click on this file, go to the properties, and on the properties you are having type of file here, and on type of file it is written here Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation and .pptx. Here look here carefully, one word is written .pptx. This pptx is the extension of PowerPoint. Same as with another applications also, if we are making any file in the Word document, then that file will have the extension of .docx. Fine. So in PowerPoint the extension will be .pptx, or if we are working in Excel, then I can say the extension will be of .xlsx. These extension I will provide you, and it is there in your book also on page number 19. The file formats are given. Means documents, for documents we can say that a file saved in Microsoft Word has the extension with .docx. A spreadsheet created in MS Excel has the extension of .xlsx. Image files are having the extension of .gif, .jpg, .png, .tif. So let's just check one image also. Let me see if I'm having one image. Okay, I'm having my image here. So right click on this image, go in the property. Now see type of file here, extension is .jpg. Can you see the extension .jpg? So file is having the way image files are having various formats like jpg, gif, png, .tif. These are the extensions for the images. Now audio file, I see if I am having any audio file. I don't think so I am having any audio file. Excel sheet I am having here. So for Excel sheet, book 1 is my Excel sheet. In properties we will go and we will check the file format. Now see here the file format of Excel .xlsx. So how can you check the file format? What is the file format? File format is the way to check that which type of file it is, in which software your file has been created. Okay, that is called extension, or that is called file format. Okay, and how to check the file format? If you want any file, if you want file format of any file, just go click on that file, select that file, then right click on it, and when you will right click on the list, you are having a option properties. Just go in the properties and type of file is there you will find the extension, there you will find the location where your file is stored. Okay, there you will find the size, that how much size it is taking on disk. Okay, on which date you have created, on which date you have modified, on which date you have accessed it. Okay, so these are the properties of the file. Now how can you sort the data? On the desktop I am having various icons here, but I want them to sort. Now what is sorting? Sorting means arranging any data or any objects which we are having in ascending or descending order. Ascending means A to Z and descending means Z to A, for example, we are taking. So if these icons I want to arrange in ascending order, what I can do, just click on the blank area of desktop. Okay, now in this list we are having an option sort by. Can you see sort by? We are learning here sorting files, and the option is here sort by. So when you are moving your cursor on sort by option, 4 options are more coming here: name, size, item type and date modified. Okay, so in which type you want to sort your files? By name you want to sort your files, or by the size of the file you want to sort, or by the item type, or by the date on which you have created or which you have modified the files? So here I am clicking name. So see, all my images are sorted by the, sorry, all my icons are sorted by the name. Fine. Now at the last in this chapter we are having a topic working with multiple applications. Now how we can work with multiple application? If we are working with multiple application, then and suddenly if you want to come on the desktop, on taskbar we are having a button here, show desktop. See, at the corner one button is there, show desktop. See, if I am having this word file here, okay, and suddenly I want to go on the desktop, just come here, click on show desktop, and you will directly come to the desktop. Fine. So that's all for today, and this is how your chapter 2 is completed. In next part I will discuss the question and answers, and I will give you the images of exercise also. Okay, have a nice day, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye.